Hello everyone, I am Ami Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law Legal. Currently, I am also legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So my presentation or topic is, can the corruption be eradicated from our society? With material values at the priority, moral and ethical values at the lowest span of the ladder, every fiber of society indulge in self-aggrandizement, wherein not only the credibility of politicians and the bureaucrats but also of the judicial officers is at stake. It seems ridiculous to dream of a corruption-free society. In the present spectrum, an honest man is like a drop in the ocean, which loses its identity as soon as it mingles in the salt water of the ocean. Corruption, corruption lies becomes a common practice, a way of life. It is a matter of shame that even after 65 years of independence, the virus of corruption has crept into all walks of life, and it can endanger the body politics of our nation. Political, bureaucratic, corporate, and individual corruption in India is a major concern. A 2005 study conducted by Transparency International in India found that more than 55% of Indians had first-hand experience of paying bribes or influence peddling to get jobs done in public offices successfully. On Transparency International's latest Corruption Perception Index declared in November 2011, India scored 3.1 on a scale from 0 to 10, where anything below 5 is bad news. It is not a good score at all for India. Rukhsana Nanakara, acting director of Transparency International Asia Pacific Division, said in interview last year India scored 3.3. India now ranks 95 in the latest survey. India stood at 84th rank in the list, way lower than China. Asia is the major fast-growing economy, which spread 3.6 points and ranks 75. The Transparency International India is in a recent survey has found that 74% Indians have believed that the level of corruption has gone up in the last 3 years, and 55% felt that union government was ineffective to curb the menace. That during the survey of 7,500 people, the anti-corruption organization also found out that majority of the respondents believe that politicians and police are the two most corrupt institutions in the country, and they have to be bribed to speed up paperwork, avoid problems with authority, or simply access basic services. More than 1/3 public services seekers paid bribes. Among the 9 services that were covered in the survey, 64% said they bribed police for one reason or the other. 63% paid bribes to land service officials, and 62% paid a bribe for registry and permit services. More than 48% perceived political parties, 34.2% said parliament and the legislative bodies, and 40.4% perceived police to be most corrupt. Transparency International India said in its report, daily lives and corruption public opinion in South Asia. Corruption is regarded as a low-risk and highly profitable way of earning quick bucks, and whoever is caught knows how to break free. Our country, which is known for moral and ethical values, where the spirit of truth is adored, fair means were advocated to attain anything, is now also counted among the top most corrupt nation of the world. From Prince to Prime Minister, from peon to the Chief Secretary office, all have been found involved and charged for many acts of corruption and omissions. It is very strange that this bill has pending for over 42 years. The creation of the Lokpal will be a historic event, and when the bill goes through, it will definitely fight corruption and maladministration. Let us be positive and hope that the government must pass the bill now, so that the unbridled corruption can be controlled at the earliest, and after some time it would surely be wiped out from our society, and the day will come when we shall breathe in corruption-free society. The people and society can play a very important role in fighting the monster of corruption. The general awakening can make the politician and bureaucrats use their discretion fairly. The common man must cast their votes not on the basis of caste or creed or party, but on the basis of values and character of the candidates. In a democracy, the actual power lies with the voters and their favor. The common people must use their votes wisely in favor of the honest and dedicated candidates. To eradicate corruption from the society, all have to fight it. It is the most powerful and most dangerous, monstrous evil, which doubles and troubles itself with the passage of time. So these are the here we talk about the corruption can be eradicated from our society. Please like this video and share this video, and subscribe the Lexis and Company Law Firm channel. Thank you and have a nice day.